Today I'm going to talk about developing an entrepreneurial mindset. So let's jump right in. The first and most important thing is take the sentence "I can't afford it" out of your vocabulary, take it out of your mind, never say it again, and replace it with "How can I afford it?" I once read a book, I'll put the information to the book in the description of this video. It was written by a guy who had the greatest networker in the world as his mentor. He wanted to learn from him. The greatest network in the world, I don't remember his name right now. If you read the book, you will know. He invited this guy to his house and he had a huge mansion. He had like a ranch. And the greatest networker in the world asked him, "Do you want to buy this house?" And this guy is like, he doesn't have the money, right? So what he said was, "I can't afford it." And he just kept saying, and the other guy kept asking him, "Do you want to buy this house? Do you want to buy this house?" And he kept saying, "I can't afford it." And this guy persisted until he said yes. And you know what, guys? He ended up buying that house. That is the power of mindset. When you stop saying "I can't afford it," your brain automatically kind of throws that thought out the window, and you won't even strive to achieve your goal, whatever that is. Any kind of goal that you have, something that you want to achieve, how can I achieve it? Ask yourself how, and you will start thinking of ways you can achieve your goal. I'm going to present you with another analogy. So two guys walk into a store. One guy wants a bag of chips and a pack of gum, but he has so little money that he can only afford one of the two. So he has to either decide between the pack of gum or the bag of chips. So he will have a debate with himself, end up choosing one, and walk out of the store with one of the two products when he actually wanted both. The entrepreneur walks into the store and he wants the same thing, a pack of gum or a bag of chips. What he instead thinks, instead of choosing between the two, he buys, say, a pack of water bottles. And he sells each water bottle for more than he bought it for. So say I don't know the price of a pack of water bottles right now. So say he sells each bottle for $1. He would buy that pack of water bottles, go out, sell all the bottles, and then he has enough money to buy both products instead of just going for just the pack of gum or the bag of chips. He can now buy both because he bought something, sold it for more, and now he has the money to afford both products. That is the way entrepreneurs work. Buying something for less and selling it for more is a way to make your money work for you. So say you have a job, you're putting in your time and your effort in exchange for money. But when you're an entrepreneur, you're using your money to make more money. Let's say you buy a phone, something very small and simple. When I was in university, I had a side hustle and I would sell phones for profit. People would come to me with a phone they want to get rid of. I do an appraisal, I make them an offer. This is what I'm willing to pay for your phone. If you're happy with that, we'll proceed with the exchange. If you're not, then you can go on your way. I won't force you to sell anything to me, right? So this one time, a lady sold me her phone, and then later she found my post where I was selling her phone for more, and she freaked out about it. She was like, "Don't rip people off and sell it for more than you got it for." It's like, lady, this is a business. Every store in the world that you shop at would be ripping off if doing such a thing was ripping people off, right? This is just a method to use to make your money work for you. You put money into a product, you invest into something, and then you use that to make more money. Your startup capital has the power to make you more money. So say you're starting a business. The amount you invest into that business in the beginning sets you up for future success. This is the kind of concept that entrepreneurs use with money. Put money into something, and that money that you put in makes you more money. Use money to make money. Don't put time and effort into making money. Put money in to make more money. that is basically it. That is going to be it for this video. Guys, if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I reply to every comment.